Hello, I'm Rob Pinkney and I'm over here at the Werkman company, and I'm just going to make a small video on basic horseshoeing. Firstly, I'll measure my centre, then I'll measure halfway between my centre and my end of my steel, then I will take the width of my steel and measure back, and that will be the mark of my toe heads on both sides. Centre pop the middles. These training marks, I'll use my edge of my anvil to mark both sides so we can see them through the process. Now we'll get them hot. By jumping up the toe and laying the leading edge up, I've now increased the thickness of my outside of my leading edge of my shoe, and I've also done a seating of the inside of my toe on the foot surface. It is now thinner here than it is there. Then with my tongs, my anvil the same distance, I hit on that mark, bring it through, and I hit on the outside mark, and then just roll it through the centre. Either side of my toe until I have a right angle. Notice how I've used my anvil as a guide to get a nice right angle in my toe. Toe bend is important, and this point is also important. Putting on my heel check. First, take this corner off, then the corner, then the centre. Get up, stock's nice and flat on the anvil, tongs are straight out. Corner, corner, centre. Repeat the process, corner, corner, centre. Mark my fullerene, line through my toe, I'm going to repeat that. Notice how my steel is flat on the anvil, my tongs are straight out, come up to my inside heel check. My tongs are straight, my heel's flat and straight. Nice finishing up. Hammer finish. Now, using these marks that I've marked on either side of our toe and our centre, I've also marked some sweet spots on my anvil back, and these are the marks that will tell me where my steel will bend. I will use these through the making of the shoe as a guide. Now we'll swing our branch around. It's important again that we're using our training mark. There it is there. And I'm going to swing it around to the sweet spot that I've marked on the anvil. I'm going to bend it. The bend is halfway between the toe and the heel. Now I'll cut my fullering. I still have a light heat there, and I'll put my stamp. While the steel cools, I will punch out the eye of my nail holes. Laying our stock up. Laying up our inside rib. Take the corners off. 1, 2, 3. Bring the stock up to the top of the anvil. Same there. 1, 2. That's it. Look at that. It's always the same. Again, swinging my branch, setting my quarter halfway, getting my toe in my heel. Using the heel of my anvil here. Bring it up here. Heel of my hammer. And sliding down. I'll pull that out. Straight up down with the heel of my hammer. So the points we're looking at in our finished shoe is our nails across the toes. If I put a line through my heel check, it comes to my toe. If I put a line straight through my heel check to my first nail hole. And my quarters are halfway in my shoe. So that distance there and that distance there are the same. So we have 5 parts in our horseshoe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last of all, of course, it's got to have a nail, fits in it, and it's ready to go on the horse.